Welcome to the second part of A Tale of Two Birds. Children, now we will discuss the questions related to the lesson. How did the two baby birds get separated? Our question 1 is, how did the two baby birds get separated? So, you have to now think about as how were these two little baby birds were separated. So, the baby birds lived in a tall tree with their mother. One day, a big storm blew. The tree came down. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew the two chicks away to the other side of the forest at a little distance from each other. Thus, they got separated from each other. Now, let us move to question 2. Where did each of them find a home? One of the young birds came down near a cave. A gang of robbers lived there. The other bird landed outside the ashram of a rishi at a little distance. So, this is how both were separated and they got two different places. One lived with rishi and the other lived with the gang of robbers. What did the first bird say to the stranger? So what did the first bird say? The one who was living with the gang of robbers. The first bird saw the stranger, the king. He called the robbers to hurry up and rob the man of his jewels and his horse. Indirectly, he asked the stranger to leave the place. So it may be two answers. One, the first bird tried to help the robbers, or two, the first bird tried that the king should listen and run away. It can be two reasons as well. What did the second bird say to him? The second bird, the one who was living with the rishi. What did the bird say? The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. So what did the second bird say? The second bird said and welcomed the king to the ashram. The bird requested the stranger to drink water, take rest, and make himself comfortable. And also the bird added that his brother lived in the company of robbers, so he talked like them. So this was what the second bird said to the king. The bird welcomed as well as told about the company, how his brother is living. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? The king told the rishi about the different behavior of the two birds. The rishi explained that the first bird repeated the words of the robbers and the second bird repeated the words of whatever are said at the ashram. So they both behave in different ways, which was the result of their companies. And the last one, which one of the following sums up the story best? So which proverb is a moral of the story? So we have a bird in hand is worth two in a bush. Second, one is known by the company one keeps, and a friend in need is a friend indeed. So the correct answer will be one is known by the company one keeps.